So while we're in the midst of Storm Emma having sex with Beast from the East, making all these beautiful, lovely snow babies, me and Nanny couldn't think of anything better to do than go out for a quick overnighter. So wanted Paddy to be able to join us, but it's a bit treacherous him driving all out from Glencorrigg out to Bristol just for a quick overnighter. And we seem to have got a bit of a break in the flurries at the moment, so we're going to make a little slow walk up there and see if we can get ourselves set up then ready before the next wave hits us. You alright? You look well up for it. Okay, so for this overnighter, I've decided to bring my new sleeping bag, which is the Snugpack Expedition 4, which is from Snugpack's base camp range. This thing weighs 3.3 kilograms stuffed. It is an absolute monster. I mean, we're talking bouncing bomb sort of style here. However, it's rated for comfort of -12 and limits, where's the extreme limit? -17. Which I always think these are a bit sort of blown over, these descriptions. However, this thing is 2.2 meters long, so we were talking, 7 foot, well, just over 7 foot long. This thing is an absolute monster. So I'm gonna go and put it out now, check it out in my hammock, get it ready to all puff and stuff up, then ready for bedtime. There we go. So the type of fire I've gone for tonight is a bog standard, stacky, branchy, messy pile of crappy fire. But it burns hot, burns fast, and it does the job. Fire setups can be important, but tonight it's too cold, it's getting too damp. Tart steaming.
I got a brew kit here. I got some army rations. Still.
Okay. What you got?
We got Mediterranean pasta,
Got there.
chicken and mushroom pasta,
Yeah.
and then all that in there.
Tuna. Bean pasta salad.
I've also got this there.
Pudding. Yep. Is that all drinks?
I think so.
Oh my god. Right, so we're pretty much set up now. And he's just sorting his last few bits. Fire's going, got me 58 pattern Crusader cup and lid on the fire as we speak. Just warming up, ready for a drink. Absolutely. It's freezing. My feet are absolutely freezing. Apart from that, so that fire's nice and hot. So yeah, we're getting set up. The tart's steaming off nicely. So that was freezing when we first got here, because it was still left out from the time we went camping before. Packed away, absolutely disgustingly bogging, stinks. Why heaven? Put it out, the whole thing started to freeze and turn into a crisp, and now it's all steaming away gently. So shows that we're doing something right. So when you're camping, like, it don't all have to be about Dutch ovens and spit roasted chickens on a night like tonight. We only popped out for a single overnighter. So what we got here is a packet of Uncle Ben's rice each, half a pot of jalfrezi. Nice, something nice and easy, simple and tasty. So I put a couple of tablespoons of water in the bottom of the pot first, then I put the rice, and now got half, like I said, half a jar of curry sauce each. Just about all you need really. Make that nice and thick and pasty, get into all the stick to your ribs, get into all the gaps. So we're about to go on the fire now, just to warm through. Happy days.
I think this is where I should have. Yeah. Quite slushy here, though, isn't it?
Oh, no, I would do. Oh, my face is on fire. Go back room side with me now. Halfway through my curry. Like I said, that very plain, very simple. Just rice, curry sauce, no meat.
Courtesy of Kent, that is.
You can keep your IPA reviews. You can keep your beer reviews. Oh, that fire. Get a man string. Morning everyone, this is Camp Space. Slept pretty well through the night. Poor Andy down there didn't have such a good night. Got up quite a few times, get a fire going. Kept waking me up, selfish beggar. Yeah, so
Broken sleeping bag.
I slept quite well. Oh, it was -degrees right throughout the night. Fairly windy. It was the wind that was doing it. The wind was absolutely horrible, but yeah, I didn't really see much snow at all, which is a bit disappointing. Anyway, it's like 7:30 in the morning. I'm gonna pack up, try and get coffee on.
Make sure you put your suntan lotion on.
Yeah. And then we'll clear up the camp space, make it look like we've never been here, and then we're off. Went a bit of fireplace up. There we go, guys and girls. That is how you compress a sleeping bag. Me all packed up now, so just waiting for Andy to pack his last few bits away, and then a bit of work in regards to a bit of camp clean up and that, and then yeah, we're pretty much done. So the ground's a bit boggy. Me and we still got the fire pit area to deal with, but yeah, apart from that, it's been a nice night, mate. There we go, right, so we're all packed up now, loaded up. And he's got his fated carrier bag.
Excuse my language.
Right, go for it.
I've always seemed to end up with the carrier bag.
Yep.
But this man here hasn't. Look, sit, I'll show you. Look, Mongo, professional.
Not Mongo.
Come on then.
Right. Biggest downside of winter camping, insulation. Biggest upshot of winter camping. Look at that views. Look at that. All steamed up. Get a little rub off. There we go. How's that? There we go. So we've got nice views. Andy's receptionist will be taking the morning off. Right. Let's go for it. Be interesting to see what footage I get out of this, because I managed to get the whole overnighter done on one single GoPro battery, which is pretty good. If you ask me, that's pretty cool. I'll have a coffee, please. I ain't had a coffee yet this morning. Yeah, so we had our curry rice last night, which was absolutely banging, and it done the job particularly well. Now, it's the first time in forever I've taken my billy can out of me burger, and then realised that was a bit of a slip up this morning, because where I'd used my Crusader mug to cook me curry and rice, then realised that it was absolutely minging. It all got stuck to the side of the cup, which is fine. I had nothing to make a brew with this morning, so that was a bit of a gutter. Do like my morning brew. So I don't know now. Cass has got the bacon cooking. She's got the kettle going, and she's in a rush to get out of the house this morning, so she's even ran me a bath, so can't really complain about that. So it's the first dog walker out and about this morning. Fair shake.